Magandang buhay mga idol! Welcome sa Buknoy TV. Panibagong adventure na naman ang ating tatahakin. Bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-like at mag-comment. Huwag niyo na rin kalimutang i-hit ang bell button for you're always updated sa mga bago kong video. Ngayong araw ay pupunta tayo sa Mulawin, Purok 6 at papasyalan natin ang mga naggagandahang mga resort sa taas ng kabundukan. Sino ang mag-aakala na sa taas ng kabundukan ay may nakatagong resort? Tara, samahan ninyo akong baybayin ang ganda ng lugar. Hello sir, welcome sa vlog. Yes, hello mga idol. Sino pong mag-aakala sa liblib na lugar na to? May mga nakatagong resort. So gaano man katakas ng bundok po na to, makikita po natin mga idol yung mga resort na naggagandahan. So tara, puntahan po natin isang resort po dito.
You were like a ransom note. If I give in, will you come home? I put everything I had into getting you back. I was only 17, and you were the air I breathed.
Welcome to Arterias Resort. Tara, samahan niyo po akong pasukin yung pinakamagandang resort po nila dito. Let's go! So mga idol, napakaganda po. So pagpasok mo pa lang, napakaganda na ng lugar. So mayroong mga vlog po talaga may tuturing mo na resort. So ayan mga idol. And puro mga halaman.
You were like a ransom note. If I give in, will you come home? I put everything I had into getting you back. I was only 17, and you were the air I breathed. I walked across the burning bridge for you, for you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I played with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind bars? Were you worth the price I paid? Your ransom.
Kaya lang ang time namin, 3 p.m. until 10 a.m. Yun ang Hello, welcome to Alteas Hidden Farm and Resort. Please come and enjoy the nature of our resort. Ang tubig po namin ay nagagaling sa Cebu, maraming halaman, so yung nature po is napipreserve po namin. Please contact, my telephone number is 0997-986-5075. Thank you!
Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Once again, I'm Jason Moraz Gaben, and see you my next vlog.